Hi, welcome back. I don't know about you, but this fall weather always makes me want to eat more soups. So today I'm gonna be making a white mushroom soup. It's one of our family recipes. It's very quick and delicious, so just follow the recipe. Cumin is the second most popular spice after black pepper. Cumin also makes up a large proportion in curry and chili powders. 70% of cumin is produced in India. Cumin is used to treat problems in digestive system. And that's all today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Follow me on Instagram. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe on YouTube, and I will see you next time.